Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 27 minus 9 times 3 divided by 9. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then stop the video and before watching the video comment of this question and tell that which option is correct. Option A is 6, option B is 24, option C is 12 and option D is none. What is the correct option of this expression? If you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. Guys, this is the order of operation question, and here I can tell you one rule which is used for order of operation. P E M D A and S, PEMDAS. D A and S. Guys, here P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. In PEMDAS we can move from top to bottom. Okay, so guys, here in this expression parenthesis is not included, so we can skip this one. Okay, and the second one, which is exponent is not included in this expression, so we can skip this one. The third one is multiplication and also division. Remember that guys, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Okay, similarly guys, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But also remember that multiplication and division have much higher priority than addition and subtraction. So here we can start our solution of expression. So guys, our solution is 27 minus 9 times 3 equal to 27 divided by 9. Why I can not solve division? Firstly, because here I can write that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So guys, in next step we can say that in PEMDAS that division have higher priority than subtraction. So firstly we can solve division. So I can write as it is 27 minus 27 divided by 9 is 3. Now guys, in next step 27 minus 3 equal to 24. So guys, comment that which option is correct. This is your assignment, that tell which option is correct in the above option. And kindly, if you enjoy this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.